Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Conflux, currently trading at 0.34. We've started 2023 on a very bright note. All coins are pumping aggressively to the upside. In the last 1 week, Conflux is up 566%. It's up more than 1000% in the last 1 month. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Conflux $USD price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Conflux performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Conflux market cap, which currently sits above $700 million. How high can we go in 2023? What's a realistic price expectation for this altcoin before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All coins are pumping aggressively to the upside in 2023. All coins are having a nice time starting 2023 on a very bright note. Conflux has been pumping. The last 1 month is up 1,119%. In the last 1 week, in the last 1 day, it has also been pumping to higher prices. But we're still deep in the crypto bear market. If you go on a yearly time frame, a lot of the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market are still down bad. But Conflux is still up 168%. This is the Conflux $USD price chart on the 3-day time frame. And guys, since when we started pumping on the 1st of January 2023, this altcoin has gone up by more than 1,500%. $1,000 invested in this altcoin on the 1st of January of 2023 should have returned more than $15,000 right now. But how high should we expect this altcoin to continue pumping in this bear market rally? Is it possible for us to set new all-time highs? Conflux was launched somewhere in November of 2020. And guys, we saw this altcoin rally to new all-time highs by March of 2020, getting to as high as $1.66. That was a 2,000% increase to the upside. $1,000 invested in Conflux when it was launched should have returned over $20,000. But since March 2021, this altcoin has been dumping to Goblin Town. This altcoin has been seeing lower prices, setting new all-time lows. We went from as high as $1.66 in March of 2021. We saw this altcoin dumping to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $0.021 in 30th December 2022. In 647 days, this altcoin lost 98.72% of its value. And guys, that is normal for altcoins. We see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town deep in the bear market. But why I like altcoins is that when they start pumping to higher prices, they can erase all those losses and even go to set new all-time highs. After dumping for more than 600 days, it has taken Conflux just around 50 days for us to recover all the losses we made since the 6th of November 2021. We dumped for 419 days and we took only 50 days to recover all those dumps that were pumping still to higher prices. Now, where are levels we might find support as we're pumping to higher prices? And is it possible for us to see new all-time highs before the end of the year? Right now, we're facing some major resistance coming around the $0.38 region. Guys, if we see Conflux blasting above this level, we might just be gearing up for new all-time highs in 2023. But before we continue, guys, I have to give you the disclaimer. Right now, this altcoin has pumped way to the moon. And right now, a lot of smart investors that bought this altcoin when we were down in Goblin Town are currently taking some profits. If you bought some Conflux when it was at the $0.021 level, right now at $0.34, guys, a 1,500% pump to the upside in a bear market rally is something to write home about. And if you're one of those investors that bought right here at the bottom, it would be smart to start taking some profits off the table. And if you're buying some right now, remember that even if we're pumping to new all-time highs from where we're currently trading right now, Conflux will just pump another 395%. While right now it's up 1,500%, taking some profit now sounds like a very smart thing to do. But if you're buying some Conflux right now, or you bought not at the bottom, maybe you bought at the $0.08 level and are waiting to continue riding into the top, we might still face some resistance when we get to that $0.73 region. From where we're currently trading, that looks like a 100% pump to the upside. Now, altcoins can continue pumping more than you think they can. You think they'll start dumping to Goblin Town, they can surprise you. We've seen a lot of altcoins that have gone 20x, 30x, 50x, even 100x. Altcoins are very, very wonderful. One altcoin can make you rich. At the same time, you can lose all those gains if you don't play it right. If we continue pumping to higher prices above the $0.73 level, we'll be left with the previous all-time high around $1.66. And from where we're currently trading, we'll need more than a 300% pump to the upside for us to get to that all-time high. Now, I believe if we get to that $1.69 level, we can continue pumping to higher prices. I believe this altcoin still has a lot of potential. Now, it might not do all that in this bear market rally, but by the end of the next bull run, I believe we can see Conflux probably trading around the $7.35 region, which means from where we're currently trading right now, this altcoin can still pump an additional 2,000% to the upside. But remember, guys, nothing pumps in a straight line forever. After a huge pump to the upside, always remember that there's a very, very strong chance we might see a huge dump to the downside, and that dump might happen for a very long time. Take a look at what Conflux did after it was launched. We saw this altcoin pump in 135 days by over 2,000%. And after that 2,000% pump to the upside, what happened to Conflux? It took another 644 days, continued dumping to Goblin Town. So right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, always remember that when we start dumping, guys, it's going to be aggressive and it's going to be long and brutal. That's just the way the market works. The market is actually going up, down, or going sideways. And right now, it looks as if we're going up to the upside. If Conflux now starts dumping to Goblin Town, that's another situation, because guys, there's always a possibility this altcoin right now is pumping to higher prices, and realistically in 2023 we might not see all-time highs. That's if the rally is not over. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, guys, we might still find some support, maybe around the $0.21 level. If that level doesn't hold, Conflux might still come lower than that, maybe coming to the $0.09 level. We have another support around that level. If you take a look at what Conflux was doing before we continue pumping to higher prices, as we rallied from the $0.02 level to the $0.081 region, we faced some resistance around that level. After we walked our way off that resistance, we now went for that one final pump to the upside. So if we start dumping to Goblin Town, these are key levels to watch out for. And if this level doesn't hold the $0.081 region, we might just see Conflux at some point in time in 2023 come back to the $0.037 region. If you take a look at what Conflux has been doing in the last 1 year, we have seen this altcoin go from as high as $0.35 to as low as $0.021. If you bought at the $0.021 level right now, you would have been up in the moon. Your profit would have been worth over 10x. Some people have over a 15x profit from Conflux. All the smart investors that bought when we're deep in Goblin Town right now are singing Kumbaya as we're pumping to higher prices. Guys, if you're a long-term investor, don't get carried away. Yes, we're seeing this altcoin pump aggressively on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, also on the monthly time frame. But always remember, there will always be more opportunities to buy. You always want to sell all those green pumps to the upside, and when we start seeing all those huge red candles to the downside, that's when you want to start thinking of accumulating. You don't want to be somebody's exit liquidity buying as we are going to the high side, because right now, if you're buying some Conflux, guys, even if the rally stops at the $0.71 region, that will just be 100% pump to the upside. And remember, the higher we go, the more dangerous it is to touch altcoins. But if you're dollar cost averaging through the process, maybe just maybe when we see those lower prices, you still have some capital. You don't want to FOMO into altcoins when they are pumping aggressively over 1,000% to the upside. Remember, altcoins can pump really well to the upside. At the same time, they can dump really well to Goblin Town very, very quickly. Conflux has a market cap of $707 million, fully diluted market cap of $1.7 billion, a total supply of 7.2 billion coins, and we have over 2 billion of those coins in circulation, and it's ranked 75 on coin market cap with over 47,000 people having this altcoin on their watch list. Conflux is a high throughput first layer consensus blockchain that utilizes a unique tree graph consensus algorithm, enabling the parallel processing of blocks and transactions for increased throughput and scalability. If you want to buy or sell this altcoin right now, you can do that on Binance, on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on OKX, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Conflux performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's currently outperforming Bitcoin, but we're still way off the previous all-time high. Against Bitcoin, we still need to rally up 125% to get to new all-time highs. Against Ethereum, we'll still need Conflux to rally up by more than 380%. And the reason why you should be careful with Conflux right now as we're rallying to higher prices is that after this rally, we'll see it dumping to Goblin Town, both against Bitcoin and Ethereum. We can't keep going up forever. At some point in time in the future, we're going to start dumping. But right now, we're seeing Conflux almost getting into a very critical resistance level against Bitcoin. And against Ethereum, maybe just maybe the rally is over, or maybe just maybe we'll have some little push to the upside before the rally comes to an end. We might not see it set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2023, but the market cap looks as if it's going to set new all-time highs. The previous all-time high for Conflux market cap was around $1.16 billion. Right now, we're heading towards $1 billion. And maybe, just maybe, we can see Conflux get to that $1 billion level before the end of this relief rally. But guys, remember, we're pumping really well to the upside. As a smart investor, if you got some at the bottom right here, now will be a good time to start taking some profit. And if you want to start thinking about buying this altcoin, you want to wait a little bit, maybe you can buy some and chill, or maybe you can just wait for when that dump comes to Goblin Town and you can accumulate again as we continue pumping into higher prices. I'll not be shocked to see Conflux market cap get back to the $100 million region at some point in time in this bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think this altcoin will go before the end of this rally? Do you think it's possible for us to set new all-time highs? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.